All right, let's begin. This is from my pal, the Tinkerer, who asked me, Crash, how could I make heads or superhero masks? So I want you to look at this. First off, I just drew this on the scribble tool. Okay. And from there, I made that right here into that. And I'll just take this apart and show you how. See, I just extended that and then put those templates on it. See, that was one way to do it. You take this type of template, just turn it into a hole, and there it is. All right, I want to show you this sort of a mask I made. I want to show you how I did that one. Basically, I took one of these templates, turned it sideways, and at an angle. After I'd angled that extended uh, element right there, and I combined it, and then I combined it with this, and made kind of some sort of like crazy science fiction android type thing. And that's just from playing around with the shapes. So there it is. You just take one of these. You could just take, the high res sphere, and for a very simple way to make it go from an oval more to a human head shape, you do that. And notice how I angle that lower template downwards. So remember, anytime you're making the human head, you use the high res sphere. And for example here, let's do what I did for this. I squashed it. I brought it out a little more. Let's bring it to 26. Okay. And I started wave duping it. 1, 2, 3, like that. Then on the third duplication, I go 25 over there on that side. Then go 24. And then dupe again. Now let's give this a little bit more of a roundness up here. Let's go 25.50 on that side. Let's go 25 on that side. And there we almost have a perfect oval. Good enough anyway. Play around with your own, numerical inputs to see what kind of thing you want to get going. So let's stand that up. We have the basic dimensions, and now all we need is to shape it with these type of templates, like I've done with all the other ones. this is something I will do to shape the back of the skull a little bit. There. And from there, you can add more shapes, like make a chin. See that? Bring it up. There you go. That is how I would make a basic shape for a head and the basic shape for a superhero mask. Let me know what you think. See you out there. Peace out.